almost a science lab, y'all. I'm over here right now making up a new kind of bread recipe that's probably gonna swoop the entire world. Once I get this right here, my face is gonna be on the front of one of these right here. And I'm probably gonna be this age when it happens. And you know what? I'm expecting this will not work. We're gonna let it rise.
I'm loving the hand mix.
Oh yeah, putting that real homemade thing.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, we're going in with this.
Now, what he's got
I'm not telling y'all all the recipe right now. I just want to make sure it's going to work. This is just an experiment, y'all. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Valentine's Day coming up. Y'all come on over here. We're going to put this right down in here. We're not going to really do much with it right there. I'm going to just let it have a natural thing. Sprinkle me some oats across the top. To give it that old-fashioned look. All right, everyone, welcome back to Adventures in Bread Time. We are now completing our second rise. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Now we're fixing it. Oh, the oven's beeping as I speak. We are ready now to place this in an oven at 350 to see what we have done. Let's go. We all stand in wonder as to what will happen. Well, we're beeping everybody here on Bread Time with Moss. What did I call it earlier? Here on Adventures in Bread Time. Well. It did rise, but it ain't shining. Do not judge the book by the cover, folks. Don't judge this little book. Let's all hope. Let's all pray and hope. The art of baking bread here at Bread with Moss.
No.
Y'all hang with me.
Adventure in
Bread Time. Forget the dabs. Let's just pour the butter on this thing and hope.
Look, I can see people like the lemon poppy seed muffins we made earlier. There's only one left.
Mama, they ain't tasted this yet, baby.
Yeah.
Let them get a hold of daddy's bread right here. There won't be an oat left. What do you think, Mama?
Let's take it out of that and just slice into it and try it.
Are you supposed to, or are you supposed to wait a little while?
Well, I mean,
for my stuff, I usually like to wait.
Just waiting on it to cool.
Here at Bread Time with Moss, I'm gonna be honest with you, we do things different. Oh, that ain't too bad, folks.
Is this your first time making any kind of bread loaf?
I don't want to admit it on my channel. Folks, this is not a bread that you'd make a sandwich with. I don't know what you would do with this.
Maybe let's let it cool.
Let it cool. I told you my stuff needs to sit. Here at Adventures in Bread Time, we like to give things time. And if it don't work in the amount of time that we thought, we give it more time.
I think if you let it sit for a long time.
Look, if I let the sun shine through on that olive oil right there, that does something to it. Let it sit for a long time, I'm with you. Missed it with olive oil. What could it hurt? You know what I'm saying?
I think if you let it sit for a long time, and then if you had some like soft whipped butter.
Mama, you're on something right there. We will let this sit.
I think that's enough olive oil.
Let it set up. I've talked to y'all about this before, and I'll repeat it again because a lot of times food is better when you close your eyes. I feel like my bread is going to be bread that you're going to want to either eat in a dark room or you're going to want to close your eyes to eat it.
Get real sleepy while you eat it.
You feed this to sleepy people. Truck drivers, bull haulers, guys that's hauling cattle cross country out in the left lane, you're getting sleepy, this is your bread right here. Right here it is. Notice the technique. Slow and easy. So we do not lose pieces of our bread. We find the cracks and go with those cracks. Go with what's natural for the bread. Sissy, do you want a piece? Just speak truth, baby. I see it in your eyes. You want a piece. These are thick pieces, folks. Now, look at my bread, folks. Look at this beautiful bread. Look at this. Don't press hard.
Yeah.
Let it naturally happen. I don't command the cheese on there because if I did, it would offend the bread. And there would be breakage. This is art, folks. When you deal with my bread, you do art. I mean, you let the cheese do what it wants to do, and the bread also. Even when I hold my bread, I'm not offensive. You offended that, baby. See, you can offend. Now, everybody, close your eyes. Where y'all at?
It's like cornbread dressing.
Folks, we need some gravy on this bread. She's right, that could pass for dressing. With your eyes closed, you would think it's dressing. Right? Bring on the turkey, baby. See, when your eyes are closed, you can dream. Sissy's rushing toward the apple juice, trying her best.
He actually really pretty much followed a recipe.
I did, but I changed it a little bit.
Yeah, but you didn't change it a lot.
Well, I changed it enough, though, that it failed. Brad and Moss Company is actually rethinking this whole thing, if we're needing to go into that business or not. So we're going up here to the antique store.
Yeah.
And we're thinking we're going to the antique business. I am going to take a break, a little
go
vacation,
look around in an antique store.
rest my mind, and come up with a different recipe. We really like this antique store right here. It's got a good feel to it.
This is pretty. Oh, I love it. Don't you love it? It's a creamer thing. Oh, they have refreshments here, Cece. Cookies. That's a pretty chicken tray right there.
They took things more serious back in those days. I mean, look at this. You kept them in a little case here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. I wonder why they had that little dip right there, though. All of them have it.
That's something, though. I mean, really.
If anybody knows, let us know why they got that dip. These are pretty. Those are cute. Hippity hoppity trinket dish. $3.
I think I'm gonna buy some of these right here.
Oh, that is a nice
I do
six
like
piece.
that. These are $5. You can't buy $6 for these right here.
Yeah.
Gravy. Look, Mom, can you imagine? Next year at Thanksgiving, I make that bread. Use it for dressing.
I like this blanket right here. How much is this? $21.95.
This could be used as a door handle, a Christmassy one.
Yeah.
This could be used today, called Daddy's Disgusting Bread.
Hey, have you seen any chairs? I wanted to see if they had a couple of
They're
chairs.
probably upstairs.
Yeah, let's go check up there. Oh, that's a nice chair for the desk.
For the desk?
It's only $25. I like this little cabinet right here. You see any? Spinning wheel, $169.95.
This one is just my size,
It
and it
is.
doesn't wiggle.
It doesn't? Okay.
Let's make sure it's, it's durable enough. You know what I'm saying? I mean, some heavy duty thinking, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, I gotta come up with my next bread recipe.
Right.
Mama, on Christmas
heavy.
time we can have these.
Those chairs are too short right there, aren't they? Those
Yeah.
white ones are too short.
I found one that we need.
Okay.
We found one we need, Mama. Hold on, right here.
Oh, yeah.
He found it. You wanna think about it? Let's just think about it.
I found it.
Oh, he found it. Now, would those fit the table?
Yeah, those would, yeah. We like old stuff, everybody.
Yeah.
An old bread recipe for bread and moss. They're pretty wobbly, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll find a sturdy one.
Okay.
Oh, Dad, he found another not wiggly one.
For bread and moss. That will not be me, folks. Y'all remember me as, I'll tell you what, this is going big. Bread and moss is not quitting.
I don't think that one will work. Here we go.
Look at this. This is scary.
This is Tyler's new truck. It's a very nice, older Chevrolet short bed 4-wheel drive. We like old trucks better than new trucks.
Yeah. We're going in here to get milk, Jonah's going for the free cheese samples.
We may even get some stuff to try another bread for Moss
Oh no,
Breads.
no.
Moss
I
Breads.
think most breads needs a break. You gotta get one of them rocking chairs first and do a lot of thinking.
Yeah, think how we're gonna make it light and fluffy.
We come here for the milk because they have Mountain Creamery. We're actually gonna go to the creamery though, maybe one day this week.
Yeah, we're going to the creamery.
Because they sell it for a little cheaper
Yeah, it's about
than here.
Maybe $1 and something, $2 cheaper.
Yeah.
I can almost see Moss's bread. Is that the kind you like? Applewood?
Yeah, but we can try a different kind this time. I like any of it. They got maple or hickory right there.
Well, I mean, I'm okay with this. That's what you want.
Yeah, that's fine. We need regular peanut butter too, don't we, Cece? Is that regular or crunchy? That's crunchy. Right here, Anderson's is our favorite. This was on sale for $4.68 for 8 ounces. So if you get 2 of those, it's only a little over $9 for 16 ounces. This is almost 8 for just 12, so that's...
This is really good maple syrup.
Yeah.
I used to love these right here when I was little.
Oh yeah, I did too.
Oh, no wonder there was a ghost on this aisle.
Oh, look, it's a protein cereal.
Yeah, he's mad. That would make him look more like Casper the Friendly Ghost.
Yeah. They got some cute Valentine's stuff here. These cups are $3.98. These are only $1.48.
We definitely need some more cheese.
Yeah. Y'all remember these days? I mean, when we were kids, I mean, this was it right here. I never did like these right here, really, but I did like the ravioli. I didn't like, but I always enjoyed these right here.
SpaghettiOs.
Yeah. I ate the stars. I don't know if it was organic in those days. We didn't care if it was or not.